Good morning, students. So, in the previous class, we were discussing about the chapter that says growing plants, and this chapter is completed in the previous class. Today, we will discuss some question and answers of this lesson. Okay? So, just open the page number 138. Open the page number 138. And some multiple choice questions are there. Okay? What is the first question? Which of the following is not required for germination? Which of the following is not required for germination? So as you know, when a seed germinate, it needs some requirements. It takes some requirements like it need water, it need air, it need sunlight. Okay, you know these three things are important to germinate a seed. Okay, so which of the following is not required for germination? A, water, B, air, C, sunlight, and D, pressure. A, B, C, air, sunlight and water is necessary for germination, but pressure is not necessary. So, which of the following is not required for germination is the first one. What is that? Pressure. Pressure is not necessary. Okay? Pressure is not necessary for germination. Okay. Second one, which of these is not grown from seeds? Which of these is not grown from seeds? First one, A, rose, B, pea, C, coconut, and D, cotton, E, brinjal. Which of these is not grown from seeds? Yes. What is that? Coconut plant grow from a seed, and next pea also. Pea plant can grow from the seed only. Cotton can grow with the seed. Next, brinjal also are having seeds. But rose plant, yes, rose plant is the only plant by which you can grow a new plant by its stem. It doesn't have any seeds. Okay, so the second answer is rose. Okay. Now third one, which of the following doesn't damage crops? Which one of the following doesn't damage crops? Doesn't damage crops. Okay. A, pests, B, bacteria. No, A, pests are destroying the crops, and B, bacteria are also reasons to damage the crops. Next, animals also damage the crops. C, fungi also damages the crops. But E, what is that? Manure. Okay, manure doesn't damage the crops. What is manure? It is a fertilizer. It is a natural fertilizer. Okay, what is the function of this? Manure helps the soil to fertilize. Okay, so it is not the reason to damage the crop. Okay, it is necessary to grow the crops. Okay. Now the fourth one of these fruits is dispersed by water. Which one is it? Okay, what is that? A fruit is there, which is a fruit or a seed is there which can disperse by water. Okay, what is that? A, apple, B, peanut, C, lotus, D, poppy, B, balsam. That is C, lotus. Okay. Lotus is the plant or seed which can disperse by water. Where you can see the lotus flower? In the water. Okay. So the answer is lotus. Okay. So these four are the answers of the multiple choice questions. Okay. Just put the right mark like this. Okay. After knowing this, next one is B one. This is the eighth one. Okay. Next, the B one. What is that? The following vegetables have got mixed. Okay, some of the vegetables are got mixed. So you should separate them into the summer and winter crops. Okay. So some of the vegetables they have given downside. So for example, first one is cauliflower, pea, bean, brinjal, cabbage, pumpkin, and groundnut. Okay. So these all vegetables are mixed together. What you have to do is you have to separate them according to their seasons. Okay. So first one is summer crop. This is summer crop. Next, winter crop. Okay. Just separate them according to their seasons. Okay, which vegetables you can grow in the summer season, you should write here, and in the winter season you can write here. Okay, first one is the cauliflower. In which season you can grow the cauliflower? In the winter season, cauliflower. Okay, you can grow the cauliflower in the winter season. Okay, so the next one is pea. When you can grow the pea? In winter. That is also in winter. Next one is the bean. Bean also you can grow in winter season. Okay. And next one, which one is that? Brinjal. When you can grow the brinjal? It is you can grow the brinjal in the summer. Okay. Related to summer. Okay. Next, cabbage. When you can grow the cabbage? Cabbage you can grow in the winter season. Okay. Cabbage can grow in the winter season. Okay. Next, pumpkin. Pumpkin you can grow in the summer. Okay. It is related to pumpkin in summer. Okay. Next one is groundnut. Groundnut you can grow in the summer season. Okay. Groundnut. So like this, you have to separate these vegetables according to their seasons, summer and winter. Okay, just write it here. So after this, seed one, read the hints given within the brackets and write the difference between. Okay, they have given the 5 questions are there, and they have given the hints in the bracket. They have given the hints, so you should identify the hint and you have to write the difference in between them. Okay, so see, first one, what is the question? A dry seed and a soaked seed. Okay, you have to write the difference between dry seed and soaked seed. What is the hint in bracket? A bracket, they given a hint. What is that hint? Size and seed coat. You should write their size and you should write there about their seed coat also. Okay. So first one is dry seed and pea seed. This is the seed one. First one, write it here. Dry seed. Dry seed. Okay. So, what is the difference between dry seed and soaked seed? See here. These are the seeds that have no moisture. These kinds of seeds. Which kind of seeds? Dry seeds are not moisture because they are very dry. They are not soaked. Okay. So write it. These are the seeds. These are the seeds that have no moisture. That have no moisture. Okay, these seeds are not having any moisture. Okay, next one, dry seed admele soaked seed. Soaked seed in the sense wet seed. Okay, so what is the difference? These are the seeds that had remained. These are the seeds that had remained in the water. Remained in the water and thus contain moisture. Okay, this is the difference in between dry seed and soaked seed. Okay, so what about dry seed? These are the seeds that have no moisture and soaked seed are these are the seeds that had remained in the water. ಯಾವತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಾವ soaked seed remained water ಒಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತಾವ. So that's because they contains moisture. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ moisture ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, this is the first one. Now the second. What is the second question? A pea seed and maize grain seedlings. Okay, you have to write the difference between pea seed and maize grain. What is the hint? Hint is the seed leaves. You should write their structure of seed leaves. Okay, so first one, pea seed. It is the dicot seed. It is the dicot seed. It is the dicot seed that it contains two cotyledons. This is about pea seed. Next one is maize. It is the monocot seed. It is the monocot seed that it contains only one cotyledons. Okay, this is the difference in between pea seed and maize. Okay, what is pea seed? It is the dicot seed. Dicot seed in the sense two seeds. Okay, which seeds are having two seeds? Those are called as dicot seed. And what is maize? It is having only one cotyledons. That's because it is called as monocot seed. Okay, so this is the difference in between pea seed and maize grain. Okay, so next third one. What is the question? Rabi and Kharif crops. You have to write the difference in between Kharif and Rabi crops. What is the hint in bracket? A season is there. Okay, so you have to write the difference according to their seasons. Okay, so third one, I will grab the first one here. First one is Rabi. So when you can grow the Rabi crops? First one, Rabi crops are grown. Rabi crops are grown in winter season. Okay. Next about Kharif. When you can grow Kharif crops? Kharif crops are grown in summer season. Okay, this is the difference. Rabi crops you can grow in the winter season and Kharif crops you can grow in the summer season. That is the difference about seasons. Okay, so next, difference between manure and fertilizer. Difference between manure and fertilizer. Okay, so what is the hint they have given? Sources. How you can get the manure and how you can get the fertilizers. You have to write the sources. Okay, so first one is manure. Manure is all natural. Manure is all natural natural animal droppings. Animal droppings. Okay, how you can get the manure? It is a natural fertilizer which is you can get from the animal droppings. Okay, now the difference is fertilizer. Fertilizers may be natural, it may be natural, but may also have chemicals. See, these fertilizers may natural or may also have chemicals. Manure ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತಾ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ. It is a natural content by which you can get by the animals ಇಂದ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದು manure. ಸೊ ಇದೇನಿರುತ್ತಾ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ. ಬಟ್ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸರ್ ಏನಿರಬಹುದು ಮೇ ಬಿ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಇರಬಹುದು ಆರ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಆಡೆಡ್ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಬೋತ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್. What is the fifth question? A coconut seed and a dandelion seed. Okay, have to different. So you have to write the difference according to their dispersal. Disperse means how a coconut seed can disperse and how a dandelion seed can disperse. So you know that coconut andra ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಿತಾರೋ ಹೆಚ್ಚು coastal areas. You can see the coconut tree near the coastal areas. It means a coconut seed can disperse by the water. Okay, next to the dandelion seed you can disperse by the wind, because what is the body structure of a dandelion seed? It is very hairy and lightweight, so it can easily disperse by the wind. That is the difference. Okay, right. First one is about coconut seed. They are dispersed by water. Okay, next dandelion seed. So how you can disperse the dandelion seed? They are dispersed by wind, because they are having very lightweight body. Okay, this is the difference. Okay, so after this again short answer type questions are there. Okay, in that section you can see 5 questions are there, and after that long answer type questions are there. Those are also 5 questions. So totally still we have 10 questions. This I will tell you in the next class. It will take a few more time. So I will tell you the answers of these questions in the next class.